Hello, and welcome back to another Firelight video. I'm here with the new Wheelock NS and the Firelight BG12 non-adjustable. And this is continuous, high volume, and the strobe is on 40 candela. Not too bright. If you can see right there with the focus. Okay, this is continuous, so here we go. 3, 2, I modified this also. 3, 2, 1. I didn't watch the whole thing, so I didn't want to do this. So. Okay, that's it. One other thing is that this is really cool because it comes off really oddly. Candela is on the back, except to change coding, you have to do something with that right there. So let's say I wanted to change the coding to code 3. Okay, I'm sorry about that. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please, if you want to, leave a like or a comment in the description. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.